I wasn't expecting my last video to hit up to 30 views because YouTube have literally blacklisted me here. But for me to have up to 30 views means I am still here at least. Okay, so I thought of filming a reintroduction video because I think nobody gives a fuck about me on this channel. So this is me coming back here to explain who I am, what I do. All right, stick with me on this. If you're new here or you've probably forgotten about me, let me reintroduce myself. I am a makeup artist, a content creator, a YouTuber, a brow and lash tech. You know, I love to use apps. Like, I like to explore different kind of apps, especially Canva. I love using Canva so much. So in this channel, I'll be sharing you guys my journey to content creating, how I edit my video. I know I have been so inconsistent, and this is me coming back. I'm actually a bit of a private person when it comes to personal life, but I think I will have to switch in between. All right. So this is me coming back here to be consistent, to be focused. All right. Expect beauty content on my channel, lifestyle, how to create content, how to edit, how to post, how to explore different apps, how to use AI. In fact, I'm bringing every tea to your table. When I say I'm bringing every tea to your table, that means I'm bringing everything I know to your table, which I know is going to be very beneficial to you. So this channel is going to be fun. It's going to be about lifestyle. It's going to be about honesty. It's going to be about real life conversations. Okay, so I'm not going to be gatekeeping, and I'm not coming here to be perfect. I'm coming here to be myself. Anyhow you see me, please accept me that way, okay? I'm not waiting for perfections. Gone are those days where I always wait for perfections, but not anymore. I'm coming here as I am, okay? Thank you for my last video. I was not expecting to have up to 30 views on that video, man. Like, I was not expecting it because YouTube have literally blacklisted me here because it's been a while I've been, consistent on this app. So thank you for the comments, and also thank you for the views. I appreciate it. That 30 views means a lot to me. Gone are those days where I used to have up to 3 point something k views. Coming back here, I know I'm starting all over again, but I hope this is the last time I'll be starting all over again. All right, so please, please always like my videos, comment on them, always engage on them. I'm coming to you as a friend, I'm coming to you as a sister, I'm coming to you as, as a family. Okay, I'm not coming here to be perfect, I'm coming here to be myself. Okay, so please always comment or like or share my videos. I beg you, please. I want a relatable community. I'm not coming here to just post videos. I'm coming here to build a community. I'm not coming here to be perfect. I'm coming here to build a family. All right. So please support your girl, support me, and God bless you. All right. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't, because this channel is about to be fun. All right. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you. Bye.